Welcome. This video will be a full guide on how to change the launcher on your Anbernic RG556 console. So, first of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet on your device. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to install the Dijishow launcher, Dijishow. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but anyway, this is one of the most popular launchers for gaming Android consoles, and we can find it right on the Play Store. So open your Google Play Store and find the Dijishow application. Somehow my search button disappeared, so let's tap on it manually. Okay, and now let's search for the Dijishow launcher. It's made by Tapioca folks. Tap install and wait until this application is installed on your device. And in the meantime, we're also gonna need the button mapper application. There are plenty of them, but the one that I find the most convenient one is the buttons remapper from HardReset. I hope I pronounced this properly too. So just download this application too, and right now when we have our launcher downloaded, now all we have to do is, of course, open it to start using it. But the problem is our launcher button, which is right here, will normally open the default launcher for you, and that's what we need the button remapper for. So open your buttons remapper, give it all the permissions. Maybe I will show you how to do this. So just tap, go right here, then switch this toggle to the right, and then return here, give it foreground service permission, and now tap the plus icon, select short press, and select key, and select other key. And now let's find the F10 key, as F10 key is corresponding key to this one. And now among the actions, swipe down to the very bottom, tap other, select open app, and then select your Dijishow launcher, tap OK. And I already have this action right here. So now whenever you press the launcher button, you will open your custom launcher with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.